Hello guys, welcome to QWOP Education. This is the free SEO series class 4, and today we are going to discuss about the URLs and different types of URL and how to update your URL in the website that you are using regarding doing SEO. So let's begin. In the last class we had discussed about how to do on page in SEO. The first point was crawling your website to Google. The second point was SEO audit and making the website SEO friendly. Next was making sure that your keyword is present in your URL. The next one was include your keyword throughout your page. And in this class, we will study updating descriptions and title, in which it includes meta descriptions and title creation. The next is what is meta description. The next one is rules, or we can say various rules for writing meta descriptions, title tags in SEO, rules for writing a title tag or how title tags are written. We have to follow some rule. And the next is uploading the description and title to our website. So first of all, we will see what is a meta description. So simply before before seeing what is written in our presentation, we will first know what is meta description. So easily we can say that meta description is the kind of description in which your website shares of what type it is. Suppose I have a website and I am a businessman. I have business like a hotel or a restaurant. So my meta description will consist some codes that will help me to do the title. The title will be hotel of this or that. So the hotel or the thing which I have owned is shown in the meta description so that anyone can get a knowledge of meta description. So the description is, you can also say this, the definition of meta description is, the meta description is an HTML tag you can set for a post or a page of your website so that you can describe what your page is about. Before that I was saying that it will describe what is your page. Suppose you have a business and you are doing some fruits vegetables business, so it will show that your website is about fruits and vegetables business, and it and we have to write the meta descriptions using HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and this is used in creating web pages. So the next point is, the meta description brings you an opportunity to convince search engine users that your page will offer what they are looking for. It means that suppose you are a searcher and you are searching for some particular kind of business or some particular kind of products in the search engine. So when you will go and type the type of product you want in the search engine, the search engine will first go and check the meta title and descriptions of the page, and if the search matches to that, they will display the business or the products you are looking for. Simply, you can easily say that if you are looking for fruits and business and you type fruits and business shops or fruit and business websites, you will get to know that all the fruits and business websites will come to you or to your search engine or to your search engine results page after you type that if the meta description and title are correct. So we can also say that meta description helps the users or the search engine users who are searching for products to enhance their search capabilities, and also meta description allows us in many conditions, such as if you have a multiple business. Let's take an example that you are also selling cars, you are also selling bus, and you are also selling trucks, and you are also selling fruits and vegetables. So when the Google will see your website, and someone is typing that best fruits and vegetables near me. In that case, Google will see your meta description and title, which is created in HTML, which will say Google that your business or your website is about fruits and business. Fruits and vegetables. In that case, if someone is looking for trucks, Google will also suggest him, or the search engine you are using, like my Internet Explorer. Many search engines are there, so it will just say you, or it will just suggest you that this is the website you are looking for. Next, we will see the rules for writing meta descriptions. The first and foremost rule is make sure that your meta descriptions are up to 155 characters or within 155 characters. The next one is you can use active voice and make it actionable. You can give the voice over the description, such as when you got final, what is your description? Suppose you have written a description within 155 characters. You can also change that to a audio and simply paste it to your website, so that one can get knowledge what is your website about. The next thing is include a call to action, which means that you can so call to action basically stands for CTA. It will just compel people to click on your website. So basically CTA or call to action helps people to understand the what page offers and what they can expect if they click. The next thing is use your focus keyword. It is saying that what is your main keyword? You have to focus on that. Suppose your website is offering fruits and vegetables, or let it your website or your business is about vehicles and it is offering luxury vehicles. So you must ensure that your focus keyword luxury vehicles is present in your URL and also in your description. So the next thing is show specifications where possible. It means that if someone is clicking to your website, you must specify about all your products. As I said, if you are selling luxury vehicles, you must specify that in this price range you will get this, and in this price range you will get this, and in that price range you will get that. So these are some small points, but you must remember that it must be followed. And next, here are some points. The sixth point is making sure it matches the content of the page. Next, we will see The seventh point, that make it unique, is saying that your descriptions must be unique from other websites, especially not other websites. You have to use some same words, like you can't change that you have your product name is boss. Suppose your product name is boss, you can't change that your product name is boss, but you have to make your sentence in such a way that it must not match with others. Like, suppose I have a website and the same thing, and at the same time i I also, as a competitor which is using, or both of us are using the same content, that means it may happen that Google or any of the web browser you are searching will not accept that, and it will create a copy issue. So it will not allow to conduct a smooth search engine optimization process. Hence, it will lead to a slow process. So you have to make your descriptions unique, especially the sentences that you are using in the description must be a little bit different from others. The next thing is that it is saying that, note that if you don't have time to create description for every single page, try to prioritize your content. At least, at the very least, create a description for critical URLs like your homepage or popular pages. It is saying that we can't do all pages issue. Suppose my website is containing up to 20 pages. I can't do 20 pages issue. It will be more expensive for me as well as time taking. So I must try to prioritize or to minimize my number of pages, which will allow me to conduct smooth issue within a less time and will also be very less expensive. Next, we will see in point by point description, and I will make you point by point understand that what are the meta keywords that are used in the home page in order to do search engine optimization. The first thing is your language, which is typically or basically given English in every websites. The next is allowing the search for all the web browsers, that is you must give your yes. And the next one is identify URL, which is your company URL, which you can give the homepage of the company or the page you are doing SEO. That page link must be placed here. The next is robots tag. After creating the robots from Google, I will show it in the further classes how robots are created. You must write an index follow. The next thing is the rating of the website, rating content, which you will always provide your general. And next, the sixth point comes meta name copyright. It means that from which for which company you are working and what is the date or the year of the copyright year. As I had given here 2020, my website is created in 2020, and here I will give the company name. The next is for the expiry. It says that meta name expires, content never. That means our website never expires from the server, so that no one will be worried about our website, or no one will come or not able to see this. Next is the audience who can watch this, especially whom all the audience can watch. The next thing is author of the website. The author of the website is the company name itself. The next thing is the classification of our website. That means our website or our company is basically on service or basically on products. So as suppose my this company is company name is one of the company and it is providing services, so it is my service. Classification is service. And the meta name distribution, it means that my website will be distributed throughout globally, anywhere, any from any point of the world can see my website or can see my products or see my services, etc. Next thing is the title. The title itself is the company name. The company name is the title of the DC title of the the company name is the DC title of the website. The next, these 13, 14, 15, 16 points are about the geographical locations. The geographical locations, the origin in hyphen or, it means that my website is present in Bhubaneswar Municipality Corporation, in Municipality Corporation or outside it. And the geo position is the coordinates where you give your location. It can be created online. We will see this in later classes. And last thing is ICBM content. This is also the coordinates. The same coordinates here created. I will give here so that the Google or any web browser you are using will give you the pinpoint location of that place my company is situated. The next thing is keywords used in website with description for all pages company name. That means here I have given all the description with all my keywords. If you want, you can pause it here and watch this. The next one is the title tags in SEO. First of all, we will see what is a title tag. Saying that a title tag in HTML element that specifies the title of the web page. The page title is displayed as a part of search snippet in a search engine results page. Simply, we know that title is the basic thing or the basic need of a page. You can see the page title and you can say that what is the page is about. You can also add more titles or a little bit enhanced titles. Suppose your business is about medicines, you can also say that top medicine sellers, it is the title. Or you can say suppose your company name is X Medicines, you can X Medicines and have a nice title. Suppose your business is on pen or pencils, you can say best stationery in the particular region. That means best stationery in America or best stationery in India, like this. And next thing is the titles appears as a clickable headline for the search result and is important for user experience, SEO or social selling. As I said you, the title is the basic thing of your website which will allow the users to have an idea about your website, and when they will click that, it will help in SEO and social selling. The next thing is rules for writing a title tag. Write unique titles for every page you have selected. As I said you, it may create copy issue in Google or any of the search engine you are using. So you have to create very unique titles. And next, you have to fix the length of your title. First of all, you have to fix the length of the title because you can't change it further. Once issue will be started, you can't change this further. If you change, it will take the same time after you create a new website again to gain that SEO position, gain that search engine optimization position. Your keywords must be present in your title. It is the basic rule. I have discussed it many times. Little description on what the page is. As I said you, that title helps in giving the little description on what your website or your web page is, or what is the business of your website, what is the motto of your website. Make a brief case on what's on your page. This is the point also we have discussed a lot of time, that it is saying that you must see or you must try to see in the description you are watching any of the website. That means any of the website you are watching, first your eyes will go to your title. So that it will say that what is on that web page. Next, use high quality images. Images in SEO are very important. We will see it further. We'll discuss it about what are the quality images and what are the pixels or what are the sizes I will give you. The next thing is customize the file name. It is saying that you must have a separate file name so that it does not matches to others. Suppose you have one home page and one product page. You can change both that name so that the search engine can differentiate between all the pages. The next, you can use also alter alt text. The next thing is uploading them to your website. So you can see that upload the written title and description to your selected pages, to the code or to the page descriptions. Next, for example, you have selected the home and products page, so that you have to upload the description and title to home and product page. Next, we will see what did we learn today. First of all, we saw updating description and title, what is its importance, or how can we update the description and titles. The next thing is what is a meta description and the rules for writing meta descriptions, title tags in SEO, and the rules for writing a title tag in SEO. And the last thing we saw was uploading the title and description to your website or to your code. So thank you. Today's class is over, and if you like or if you got something informative, please subscribe to our channel, and you can also like our channel, and you can share it with your friends and the persons who are wanting to learn SEO. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.